chin khi pui YouTube channel clear to tele subscriber zong zong te in zawa in chibai kabuk chu ani tun lai kho alung thale maya Mizoram mun sang sanga kholum hi kan tuar tlang ni in alanga hetiang anga khuwa alum chautak mawang hian Lai Autonomous District Council Nuaya Education and Human Resources Department chuan nimin akhan thu chua siamin tukin jing atanga mantran tur no pang zualte primary school chin school kal hun chu ti danglam ani thule tun lai ni sale kholum lutuk chu no pang risel na ta na poi thei ani ti an thu chua chuan tar langin tukin jing atang khan jing daruk atanga dar kwa inkara primary school te chu kaltir tur anni thu an thu chua chuan tarlan ania thu chua ang hian tukin atang khan LADC Nuaya primary school te chuan jingkara school an kaltran ani Velam Khan Education and Human Resources Department LADC chuan thu chua dang siam le in private school po he an thu chua hi zom turati an yangin naktuk April ni som le pakwa atang hian private school KG atanga class 4 thleng primary section te chu jingdaruk atanga dar ko thleng school hi an kal to don bok ani heti lai hian jingdaruk no pang school kaltir tura in buat sai chu nu le palam atanga suiselna aw mawangin naktu ka hian LADC lama Education Department how to chuan meeting nei le a hun hi son kai het ani tur thu voini akhan an sei lang bok ani he an thu chu a hian pi rang than moi elementary education officer primary Lai Autonomous District Council chuan ming aziak ani hetiang LADC Nuaya primary school no pangte jingkara school kaltir tura malak ani mek lai hian nimin lama khan Mizoram sarkar Nuaya zirna school ta chu kholum awanga ti danglam alani lo tur thu chua chanchin bulama tarlan ania chu an thu chua chu ron tarlang ve don ani he kan thulak na hi zalen chanchin bu nimin April ni som le pasariya chu kha ani kholum wangin zirna in khar tumna lomlo Mizoram Sarkara Education Department ho tu te chuan tundin huna kholuma wanga zirna in khar tumna ala omlo ti an soya school tin te ro kholuma no pangte an kol dan tur instruction pek vek antum Education Department Director Pulal Sang Lianan Zalen athil danin state khatin kholum wanga zirna in an khar ti an siatin department lamin an ngai vena MIR SAC scientific officer te be popin anni lamin warning an la don lo thute mihring tana torzo lo le lo om tur ala omri lo thute a changin mithiam te ngai dan an la ka tangin tundin huna chuan zirna in khar tumna ala omlo te in zalen chanchin bu chuan aron tarlang ani